With the sills welded in, the next challenge was to fabricate the floor panels. After the matte cutout, what was left from the Miata's floor wasn't good enough yet. I had to make some patches and repair the rusted or destroyed areas. Here I recreated this original stamping. At that point, the sills, tubes and floor supports combined gave the car enough rigidity that the floor didn't need to be beefy. So I couldn't resist shaving off some weight here. This is a modified bead roller I built. It's powered by this winch. It's made for 4x4s and ATVs. I connected it with a bottom shaft. Then I added beams to make it stiffer, and then I added this guide surface. You engage the motor with this pedal, and here is a control box. You turn it on, you can set the speed here. If you go lower, like 20, it goes much slower, and you can change direction here. Inside there is a power supply and adjustable step down, and it runs on 12 volts converted from 240 volts. Originally there was a crank right here. Controlling what's happening here using the crank doesn't make sense. I've gone with thin 1mm sheet metal. Combined with precisely designed beads, the panels became sturdy enough. Each side was built from 5 sections, designed to wrap around the protruding tubes. Watch the full build here.